Graphtec introduces the FC4500 Flatbed cutting plotters, cutters that fulfill a wide variety of cutting applications where roll feed cutting plotters are not suitable. Package designers will marvel over the FC4500's ability to cut and crease chipboard materials. Add to this Graphtec's automatic registration mark system, or ARMS, where you can contour cut pre-printed designs for adding even more appeal to your package prototypes and mock-ups. Electronic engineers will find that the FC4500 series' ability to cut media such as polypropylene and polycarbonate useful for cutting electronic flat panel display or FPD, protection film, and condenser film designs. Designers of smaller monument and stone masonry will like its ability to cut sandblast rubber templates with dead-on accuracy. Taking a closer look, the FC4500 series offers real advantages over other cutting plotters. First is its capability to cut completely through the media without the need of a backing sheet. This can be really helpful when cutting rigid paper stock that has to remain flat and cannot be bent. The FC4500 has different methods for holding material down as well. These hold-down methods prevent material from moving even after it's been cut. This maximizes the cutting quality and ensures a smoother operation. The FC4500 series incorporates the landmark feature of the Advanced Registration Mark System, or ARMS, for contour cutting around your printed images and designs. Its tool carriage can hold two types of tools at any given time, whether it's a pen tool, cutting tool, or creasing tool. For instance, placing a pen tool and a cutting tool would be useful when labeling shoe pattern designs prior to cutting, or drawing a cut pattern prior to cutting sandblast, making it easier to weed the design once the pattern is cut. Or when using a creasing tool with a cutting tool for packaging designs. This carriage will save you the need to exchange tools in the middle of a cutting operation. With an RS-232C and a high-speed USB control interface, the FC4500 is compatible with not only the latest PCs and software available now, but older legacy computer systems as well. Noteworthy features to the FC4500 include a control panel that makes navigating the cutter a simple process, 8 user conditions that make it possible to instantaneously recall cutting presets for specific materials that you may be using. This ensures consistent cutting and eliminates the need to make adjustment each time a different material is loaded. Dual speed positioning keys ensure accurate tool positioning. The FC4500 also carries advanced features such as tangential control mode for clean, accurate corners when cutting thicker materials or intricate designs on delicate materials. As with all Graphtec cutters, the blades are of tungsten carbide, giving longer wear before having to change the blade. Also, the advanced blade design enhances the ability to cut even the most intricate of designs. Each unit sold includes DCut Master, a useful software module for importing and manipulating DXF file. It also is supplied with the renowned Cutting Master 2 software plugin for the latest versions of CorelDRAW and the latest Mac or Windows version of Adobe Illustrator. As mentioned, the FC4500 incorporates the Advanced Registration Mark System, or ARMS, for flawless contour cutting of printed designs. The simple process starts with placing a contour cut line and Graphtec registration marks around the design image within the software, which is usually an automatic step for many of the design software applications available today. Once the job is printed, it can then be placed onto the cutter. After moving the tool to the first registration mark, then the cut line can be sent to the cutter. The cutter will then start to scan for each registration mark. Once all the marks are scanned and read, it will then cut along the designated cutting path. This process has never been so easy. The FC4500 ARMS also incorporates a reverse side feature for mapping out the crease lines on the back side of the material, or for reverse folds, as well as maintaining the quality of the printed image. The FC4500 series comes in two models. The FC4500-50 has a cutting area of 23.2 inches by 16.9 inches. The FC4510-60 has a cutting area of 33.8 by 23.6 inches. Each of these models have their different hold-down methods. The FC4500-50 has an electrostatic bed with an included adhesive sheet for stronger hold-down. The FC4510-60, on the other hand, has a high-tack adhesive sheet for thicker materials and a less tacky, more pliable sheet for better creasing of chipboard. Each model has a cutting speed of 29.5 inches per second and a high downforce pressure of 600 grams. With the supply training video, learning the FC4500 is a snap, as it will step you through the operation of the cutter, thus minimizing the learning curve. Each 4500 comes with a 1-year standard warranty, but can be easily extended to 2 years just by registering your cutter within 30 days of purchase. Extended service programs, including on-site programs, are also available from Graphtec, giving you the comfort of knowing your investment is protected.